On February 8, 2024, in Hapeville, Georgia, officers were dispatched to a hotel after a domestic dispute between a mother and her son led him to call police for help. What followed quickly escalated when officers were met with a locked door and refusal to come out.
What's up? You call police?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
So I'm trying to get my stuff out of my mom's room, and she said if I came, she would go to call the police. So I just went ahead and called the police myself, so I can
Best
get my
move you
stuff
could have
out.
done.
So
You got your ID?
We'll get your ID.
What room we going to?
217.
Alright.
Hapeville Police.
Hey, somebody done get told. I know.
She not trying to open up the door. You see that, right?
Please come talk to us for a minute.
Hey,
This is
I told you.
Who's she talking to?
I just got a job. Don't you open that door. Get on back in the bathroom. Don't open that door.
She gonna need her ID anyway.
Don't open that door. I told you, when I get a job, whatever I pay
What is it? What she playing games?
Yep, sounds like it.
I should have got a key.
for your little space and all that.
You want to, and I'll stand by. How long were you living here? Or were you just visiting?
Because I had just came from job court. I had ended up getting kicked out of job court because of one little small situation. I've been here for like 3 months, but usually most of the time I'm never here. I'm never here. And so she got tired to the point where my stuff was always here, but I'm not. So I was like, all right, cool.
You get mail here and stuff like that?
Yes, I get mail here and stuff
Now
like
we're
that.
starting
And
to
I just
talk.
started a job.
Now we're talking borderline criminal trespass because she's
And I just-
preventing him from access to his property.
And I just told her, I just got a job. I started yesterday.
Trying to
so
do your own thing.
I'm trying to get out of here. That's been the plan.
You think she got the latch on the door? She probably do.
I don't know. She probably do.
Let me call Sherry first.
It is you.
She not cooperating.
All you constantly cuss us out. You tell us we worthless, other stuff like that, and we tired of it. As your children,
You gotta, this is pissing me off,
and I'm tired of this shit.
You're doing the right thing by getting yourself out of the situation and doing what you need to do to make the right moves to better yourself. At the end of the day, man, you know, you can love and forgive your family, but you gotta look after yourself. You gotta do what's best for you up here and then here. You know what I mean? So you ain't doing nothing wrong. We're gonna help you get it sorted out. Hey, Bill Police, come to the door, please.
She came here, she's gonna call the police, and now she don't want to come to the door. She came to the front desk.
I'm not gonna be in jail. I did.
You're good.
What's her name?
Ma'am, please come to the door and talk to us so we can try and get this sorted out.
So I'm just letting you know we down here. She gonna make this more than what it is. Ma'am, this is the police. You making this more than what it is. Open the door, please, so we can talk. You gonna make this more than what it is. Just open the door, please. I'm being nice. This is the officer behind the front desk. We're gonna have to call Pablo. She got a latch on the door.
The police is at the door. The police is at the door. The police is at the door. The police is at the door.
Don't need doing that, man. Just calm down. You better have a job.
No.
It's the
The
lock.
Reiki,
Lock
the
is on
Reiki.
the door.
Oh, somebody's in there.
Yeah.
Bust it open. Fuck it. Do it. Fix it tomorrow. Hold on. Let's fix this shit tomorrow. Wait, more likely she gonna have the latch.
Yeah, she gonna have a latch.
She gonna have the latch.
Cause that red light come on.
Yeah.
You got the key to
Down. Tell him to get the bolt cutters.
Tráete las pinzas y grandotas para cortar el lac.
de mantenimiento. This is a problem. I see this in the morning.
They're gonna need to go. They gonna need to go. Okay. I have family members come get them. She's gone.
Was he fighting on her?
She's on the phone. She won't come to the door.
I hear her on the phone. And we don't like her boyfriend in there.
He's in there. He was never open the door. He don't. She's like, don't tell him. She's telling him, don't open the door. She's calling the shots.
She know what's gonna happen.
I'm sure she do. Cause I done already talked to her through the door. She's ignoring everything.
If he would have just waited a couple of days or so until I called.
Ma'am, if you don't open this door and we have to open it for you, you're going to jail for criminal trespass and obstruction. I'm not gonna warn you again.
Your name ain't no shit in here. Your
Okay.
name ain't no shit. You don't pay shit. It's not your shit.
This is the Hateville Police.
You have a police incident that's drawn to police. You're gonna need to come and talk to us. If we come in here and talk to you, you're gonna be talking to a judge. All right?
You can deal with us or you can deal with the judge.
You know, this lady over there. Huh? What's that? All right.
Watch out.
Do what you gotta do.
Yeah. We got a case number to cover this.
Hey, what the hell?
Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
For what? For what?
Come and talk to us right now.
Wait a minute. Y'all ain't got to be. Y'all ain't. I'm coming. What you? What is y'all doing?
Come out here. Now you did all that. You did all that.
How you hurt my arm? I'm not even doing nothing. I am stopping. Look, y'all got me peeing on myself. Like, for real, like, what is y'all doing? Y'all ain't even got to be
Come to
all
the
like
door
that.
when we tell you to. All that doing that, that's what got you there. You're gonna talk to a judge. You're talking to a judge.
First of all, I didn't know y'all was at the door.
You play too much. You play too much.
No, see, you
play
gonna
too
bring
much.
the police over here?
You said you gonna call the police on me, so what I'm gonna do?
I
I
told
did
you to
him.
leave
Get
it
all them
alone.
children's information.
I
Sir,
told you to
step
leave it
out.
alone.
This is right here.
Step out.
I got my grandkids. Why you keep fooling me?
And that's the reason you should open the door.
You stop.
I am not aggressive.
That's the reason you should open the door.
I'm not being aggressive. Calm down. Can y'all please?
Now you were doing all that in there. We heard you on the other side of the
I was
door.
on the phone. You got my phone. You got my
Exactly.
phone.
You should open the door.
Yes.
I'm your arresting officer. Please, you're being charged with
You should open the door. You're a grown man. You know the police out here. That's why this is escalated.
You knew that it was the police at the door because we heard you tell your juvenile children not to answer the door because it was the police.
No, I did not.
He was getting ready to answer the door. You said get away from that door.
No, I did not.
You know what? This recorded you, so I know what you said. This recorded
to my
you.
son.
Either way it go, you obstructed. Take her downstairs. Take her
What
downstairs.
y'all doing? Y'all so rough and so mean.
Nah, you so defiant. Now you're going to jail. Come to the door next time. Ain't nobody playing with you.
For what?
Criminal trespass.
How am I criminal trespass and I live here?
Because the state of Georgia states that if you prevent someone from using their property that they legally own, that's a criminal trespass violation.
How? That in my house.
His
Can
stuff
I
is
have my phone back? Why you got
no.
my phone?
His stuff is in there, is it not?
His stuff, but
so
what
you
you mean his
prevented-
stuff isn't there?
you
He
prevented
was
him
there
from
with.
getting to it.
Listen, I allow him to come and stay with me. What is y'all saying? Like, for real? This is, and then y'all being all forced to stay. Y'all know me. Y'all act like this the first time y'all don't see me.
I don't know you.
He know me.
I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
You come up here and sick sometimes.
That's not me.
Oh, that's not you. I'm
I
sorry.
don't work over here. I'm sorry.
And I did not say I wasn't gonna open the door for the police. I never said I was gonna open the door. I said I was gonna open the door for my son. It was my son that was at the
You
door.
knew it was us, and there's no denying that. It's been
Huh?
recorded.
I didn't know the police went out the door till he texted me. I thought it was him at my door because he was screaming at my door and cussing and stuff.
Listen, ma'am, I know your son. I've talked to him, and I don't sound a damn thing like him, so I know you're full of it. Do you have any weapons?
No, I
Do you have any
don't.
weapons or anything
I
that's
do
going to
not
stick me
know,
or
no.
poke me?
No, I do not. But I got my grandkids up there, y'all. Come on, man. Ain't nobody.
You should have opened the door and had a conversation about a civil matter, but instead you barricaded yourself in there and made it a criminal issue.
I was on the phone. I did not hear y'all, and then he took my phone.
That is not true because we saw you pour the doormat out from under the door when you latched it and said, "Don't you open that door for them."
I did not know y'all was at the door. That's a lie for real. I did not know y'all was at the door.
I was there. It was me the whole time.
I did not know that.
I'm patting down the outer layer of your clothing for weapons. You said you don't have anything on you. If I find anything, I'm charging you with that too.
I don't have anything. I don't have anything on me. I was in the house.
I got plenty of stuff in my house that could be dangerous.
What are y'all
I don't know you.
Y'all wrong for this.
She says the same things to me and expect me to take it like a man.
I don't know, y'all. Can you let me twist my wrist around, please? You see how it is? I can't believe y'all taking me out of my child. He gonna snatch my phone out my hand. I was talking to my auntie. I was on the phone talking to my auntie.
He recovered your phone so that it didn't get broken.
And then y'all grabbing me and stuff like I'm gonna run or do something to y'all.
You barricaded yourself in a room.
Did you lock
I wasn't barricaded. I wasn't barricading myself in
Did
no
I what?
room.
You locked them?
This should have been locked, dude.
I was not barricading myself in no room.
Okay, then why was the crowbars had to come out to get in there?
Because I guess because I went open the door.
Yeah, I guess.
Y'all can call the Hapeville Police Department, find out what her bond is, get her out. She lucky I don't take the children because of her actions in front of the children. She lucky I don't call defects and take the kids. But she should have thought about that when I knocked on the door. Here you go. Here you go.
This is a situation between me and my son.
It could very well should have been. I agree.
And he had no business calling the police, and I told him if he didn't
That's
get
where
from
you're
my
wrong. I'm working on it. People have a right to call the police when they've got civil issues.
Well,
now
it
doesn't always turn into criminal issues, but when you refuse to come to the door for
it was gonna
police,
be me or him. So I guess he made it me. Okay, we good. We good.
let me double lock you so it don't pinch on me. All right, you're good. You can have a seat in that.
Before we leave, can y'all just do me one favor?
What do you need?
And then, did you throw my thing? Oh, I thought you threw it on the ground.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Can you please let me get my phone and call my daughter, tell her to come get her kids?
We're gonna make sure that's taken care of for you, okay? Do you have any other questions right now?
Nah.
Okay, just sit tight
Can I
for me.
put my stuff back on my head?
Stand by.
I'll let you do that in a second, okay?
Oh, you busy?
I'm gonna go up there and retrieve her phone and ID. What you got?
The guy that's in there with the kids, like he's like her boyfriend or something, and he barely even know these kids at all.
He's drunk too, from what she said.
Yeah, I'm like,
She has requested that we get her phone so she can call her daughter to come get the kids.
okay.
So that's what we're gonna do.
I just didn't know how I feel about leaving the kids up there with that dude. Like he don't even know their last names, birth. Like he don't know the kids.
You don't know. Yeah. No. So that she has a plan for the kids.
Okay.
We're gonna do that for her.
Okay. So long as we got, because if it wasn't for that, I was gonna say maybe release her. His dudes give me weird vibes.
I'm not gonna lie to you. If that turns out to be the case, I can release on a copy and just knock it down to freaking.
But obviously, you have to talk to Sarge for
obstruction in DC, but that's an option too.
But I ain't talked to Sarge about it. I just want to see what you was thinking about it.
Well, I already know how he's gonna feel about them kids. If we don't gotta deal with it, and we don't gotta put them through that.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that dude. He can't tell me their birthdays, last names. He don't even know their names.
CO.
Who's that?
I was just in the gym the other day, signing up for the deputy sheriff position.
You gotta cut this stuff out.
I went at
You gotta
LA
cut
Fitness.
this stuff out. You gotta do your health thing for you anyways, but you gotta cut this stuff out if that's.
Well, what did I do? That's
was-
what I'm saying. I don't see how I was in the wrong.
It was the
me-
not coming to the door, and what you did does constitute multiple charges. But I'll talk to you about that once I get you out of here, and I will get you out of here once I get them babies taken care of. So the babies get taken care of, I get you out of here. I get you out of here. I get you back to our holding cell, process you in. I will let you know what your final charges are. Okay?
Will I get a bond tonight?
You should.
Okay.
You should. Just sit tight for me, okay?
You don't have to like the police being there, and you don't even have to agree with why they were called. But once you know it's law enforcement at the door, refusing to engage can be interpreted as obstructing their ability to resolve the call safely. That's where things start stacking up legally. Another key point is the property argument. Saying someone lives there or has belongings there doesn't automatically settle who has immediate control over the space. Officers aren't there to adjudicate property rights on the spot. They're there to stabilize the situation. If one party is locked out and claims residency, officers may act to prevent escalation, not to determine ownership. And here's the practical reality. Once officers believe you're intentionally ignoring lawful commands, they stop treating it as a misunderstanding. It becomes about compliance and scene control. That's why something that starts as a civil disagreement can quickly expose someone to criminal charges tied to obstruction or interference, even if the underlying dispute wasn't criminal at all. Understanding that shift, when a situation stops being your issue and becomes their scene, is what keeps people out of custody. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.